Hi everyone. In this video, we'll try to see dictionary methods inside Python. So far, we have learned about dictionary inside Python and saw the power of this particular dictionary, right? So dictionary also has some inbuilt methods and function. So let's try to see some inbuilt method and function inside dictionary. So guys, you can see here I have listed down all the functions actually we can use inside a dictionary. So first of all, what I did, I just defined one dictionary here. You can see this is my dictionary. Inside that, I just kept some of the item. Now, as I already told you, some of the common functions are there. We can use them in all the data type. Let's say length is there, sorted is there, max is there, minimum is there, right? So length, if I execute the program, see what length will do. Length will try to see like how many items present inside a dictionary. You can see only 3 items is there. Let's say name, age, and gender. Okay, 3 items. Sorted, what it will do, it will just try to sort the keys, okay, in a ascending or descending order, okay, with respect to the character. Okay, with respect to the character, it will do the ascending or descending order. Now see, it is doing the descending order. Now if you just make it as false, it will do the ascending order right now. See, A is coming, then G, then N. Okay, I hope this part is clear. Now max will show you the maximum actually, let's say results. Now how this particular name is coming as a maximum, because with respect to the ASCII, okay, ASCII value, I think I showed you one ASCII chart. With the help of ASCII value, it will give you this particular word, okay, which is having a maximum value in the ASCII. It will give you that particular word. Now minimum of what is, you can see, is the age one. Okay, so I hope this part is clear. Now apart from this particular common function, we can also use some of the inbuilt function inside dictionary. You can see here I have defined one dictionary. Now inside dictionary, we're having 3 to 4 actually major inbuilt function. You can see item is there, keys is there, and values is there. Now let me show you all the examples one by one. Let's say if I just do d.items, it will return you all the items. Okay, item means it will give you the keys as well as the values in a tuple. Okay, in a tuple pair. You can see it will it's a dict item object. Inside that, it will return you one list, and inside this particular list, it will give you the tuple pair. That means key is coming here and value is coming here. Again another tuple, key is coming here, value is coming here. Okay, then again another tuple, key is coming here, value is coming here. This is called item actually. It will return you all the items. That means key and value pair. That means key and value, it will give you both, okay, as a pair. Okay, pair of tuple. That is the idea. Okay, this is the use of the item function. Now you can also apply the keys. Okay, keys function on top of this particular dictionary. Now see, if I execute this particular program, it will give you all the keys. Okay, all the keys name. You can see name, age, and gender is my keys name. Okay, it will return you all the keys name. Now the next one is the values. I think by reading the name, you can see what it will return me. It will return me all the values, okay, present inside this particular dictionary. You can see puppy is a value, 22 is a value, male is the value. Okay, you can see all the value it will return me. Now apart from that, there is another function inside dictionary called update. What update will do, let's say this is my dictionary 1, this is my dictionary 2. Now if I just write d1 update d2, what it will do, it will update this particular d2 inside d1. Okay, if I execute the program, you'll see that whatever value actually I had inside d2, it will update inside d1. But you can see I'm having some duplicates key. Okay, I'm having some duplicates key, so it will take the latest keys actually. Now you can see this is the latest key, 4 is the latest key, and the value is the 7. So that's why actually it is taking this item. Okay, not this item. I hope this part is clear. Now if you just write d2 update d1, that means inside d2 it will update d1 value. Okay, that is the idea. Okay, I hope this part is clear. So these are the actually dictionary methods inside Python. You have to learn only, and sometimes actually you'll be using them. Most of the time you will be using items, keys, and values, because whenever, let's say, you are working with dictionary, if you want to see the keys, values, and items, you can use these are the functionality. Fine. So yes, this is all about from this particular video, and I will see you next time.